From job seeker to job creator, my entrepreneur story. From job seeker to job creator, my entrepreneur story. Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you are in for something special today. I want to talk about something that many young people, especially in countries like Nigeria, are struggling with every day: the search for a job. We are raised to believe that the goal is to finish school, serve the nation through NYSC, and then land a good government job. That was the dream. But for many of us, that dream is not working anymore. Job vacancies are few, connections are needed, and salaries are low. So, what happens when you get tired of applying and waiting? You start your own job. You become an entrepreneur. You move from job seeker to job creator. And in this video, I want to share my personal story, how I made that shift, what I learned, and how you can do the same. I will also share 2 inspiring real-life examples that will show you this isn't just theory. It is possible and it works. So, grab a drink, get comfortable, and let's dive in. Before we begin, please, I will appreciate it if you like this video. You can help me continue to spread the whole head lesson. If you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you click the subscription button below and turn on the bell notification. Like and share this video so I can be motivated to make another video as quick as possible next tomorrow, and you don't miss any of my videos this week. If you like this video, please kindly comment yes in the comment section. If you don't like it, comment no to let me know so I can make another better video for you next tomorrow. Now, let's get started. My life as a job seeker. Let's rewind a few years. I had just completed my NYC. I was full of hope, energy, and plans. I thought, let me just get a federal or state job and everything will fall into place. I started applying everywhere: civil service job, bank jobs, teaching jobs, even position in ministries where I knew someone. I submitted my CVs online and offline. I attended aptitude tests. I went for interviews, several interviews. I even got scammed once by fake recruiters. And the worst part, every rejection chipped away at my confidence. Days turns into weeks, and weeks into months. Then, 1 year passed. I was still at home. No job, no income, just hope. One day, I had a conversation with myself. I asked, am I going to keep waiting like this forever? Or am I going to take control of my future? That is when everything changed. Taking the first step into entrepreneurship. The first thing I did was assess myself. What skills do I have? What do people ask me to help with? What problem can I solve? I realized I could write well. I had helped friends with resumes, school projects, and business plans. So I thought, why not try freelance writing? I used my small phone to join online platforms I started advertising my services on WhatsApp, on Facebook. I charged small just to build trust. I wrote articles, bios, and blog posts. I was working from home with zero capital. Yes, I mean it. With zero capital. Just my skills and internet access. In my first month, I made 20,000 naira. The next month, 40,000 naira. By the third month, I was making more than some of my friends in the government jobs. Then, I reinvested in myself. I took writing courses. I upgraded my phone. I bought a second-hand laptop. I registered a business name. And eventually, I started training others. Today, I run a content and digital marketing agency. I work with clients around the world. I have a small team. I pay salaries. I create jobs. That is the power of starting small and thinking big. 10 reasons why starting your home business job beats a government job. Let me share with you why I believe entrepreneurship is better than relying solely on government employment. Number 1, you control your time. No 8 a.m. resumption. No one asks for permission when you want a break. Number 2, your income is unlimited. You are not tied to a salary structure. The more value you give, the more you earn. Number 3, you follow your passion. You get to do what you love, not just what you are told. Number 4, you grow faster. You learn leadership, sales, communication, and time management on the job. Number 5, you build wealth, not just survive. A business can grow into an asset. A job ends at retirement. Number 6, you create job for others. You are not just helping yourself, you are empowering your community. And this is very, very important. Number 7, you gain respect. Entrepreneurs are admired, respected, and seen as leaders. Number 8, you solve problems. Every business exists to solve a need, and people pay for solutions. Number 9, you become independent. You are not waiting for next government recruitment or budget approval. Number 10, you leave a legacy. Your business can outlive you. Your children can take over and expand it. If you are still watching this video and finding this insight valuable, please comment yes in the comment section below to let me know you are here. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you click the subscription button below and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of my videos next tomorrow. Your support by promoting this video, subscribe, likes, and share helps me motivated and continue creating good content to inform and inspire you every day. Now, let's move forward. Example 1, Blessing, the fashion designer. Blessing studied sociology. After NYSC, she applied for over 50 jobs. Nothing came. She always loved fashion, but didn't think it could become a career. One day, she decided to use her NYSC saving to learn tailoring. She started sewing simple outfits. Then, she began advertising on Instagram, on Facebook, and WhatsApp. People loved her work. She got referral. She opened a shop. Today, she owns a fashion brand called Blessed by Style. Blessed by Style, and employs 4 workers. She even trained young girls for free on weekends. She told me once, if I had gotten a government job, I might still be earning 80,000 and wearing office ID cards. Now, I create my own ID card and make triple that. Example 2. Dayo, the agribusiness entrepreneur. Dayo graduated with a degree in agricultural science. He wanted to join in the Ministry of Agriculture. He waited 2 years, no offer at all. Instead of waiting more time, he borrowed a small plot of land and started growing vegetables. He supplied local restaurants. He used social media to market his farm. Then he started processing dry veggies and spices. Now he owns Green Gold Farm. Employs 10 staff and consults for other farmers. Dayo's advice: start where you are. Government jobs are good, but farming feeds nations. Don't underestimate your hands. Common excuses and real talk. Let me guess. You are thinking, I don't have a capital. I don't know where to start. Or you are thinking, my parents want me to work in an office. Or, what of if I fail? Let me address that one after the other. No capital. Start with your skill. Sell a service. Offer home tutoring, social media help, hairdressing, baking, or anything useful. Don't know where to start? Look for a problem around you. Can you solve it? If yes, there your business idea. That is your business idea. Parental pressure? Show them your success. Result: silence doubt. Fear of failure? Everybody fails, but you learn, grow, and come back stronger. Even Dangote failed before becoming great in life. How you can start today? Here is a simple roadmap for you. Number 1, identify your skill or interest. Number 2, find a problem to solve with it. And of course, number 3, start small. Begin with what you have now. Number 4, offer value consistently. Number 5, reinvest your earnings. Number 6, grow, learn, and adapt. Number 7, build a brand. Number 8, which is the last one, expand and employ others. Conclusion, my friend, the truth is simple. The era of waiting endlessly for government jobs is fading. The future belongs to creators, innovators, and problem solvers. You have talent, you have idea, you have potential. You don't need to wait for anyone to employ you. Employ yourself and start something great today. Employ yourself and start something great and full of value. You will never regret that you do so. You might begin as a job seeker, but if you take action today, stay consistent, and believe in yourself, you will end up as a job creator, just like I did. Thanks for watching. If this video inspired you, give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life business. Here is an important question for you. Who is the government? You are the government, of yourself. Govern your life and take good care of yourself. Bye for now.